Hi all, welcome to Tech News. My name is Gautam. Today I am going to unbox and review an amazing product from Chiptronex HX1000 mid-tower case. Let's see what's in this box. We brought it from Amazon. Mid-tower case, this one is mid-tower case. We'll see how it is. What's in this box? Let's open it. Model number is HX1000. So manufacturers Chiptronex. This one is mid-tower case, guys. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, nothing in this box, guys. Nothing in this. Just CPU tower only. We got it. Yes, guys. Now to open this cover. Yes, Chiptronex. Not Chiptronex. This one is Chiptronex. Yes, company. See this, guys. Wow. Awesome. This one is normal glass, I think. Tempered glass or normal glass? It looks normal glass only. Okay. Let's see. It looks amazing. I think airflow. We got two this side and this side meshes. These two sides for airflow. And top dust proof. We got dust proof also. Nice one. So for airflow top is also they have given nice windshield also. Nice, guys. I think amazing look. We got it. Amazing. Very less price. I think it's magnetic, yeah. Magnetic shield. Okay, nice design. And what they given the options? I think we have one USB options they have given. So one power button from this side, power buttons and LED, power buttons, LED, and earphones, one mic, two 2.0 USB ports, and one is 3.0 USB port and power button. Nice. It's amazing, yeah. Nice tower. And we can fix all this. We'll see inside also. Yes. Just we need to unscrew this with hand. We'll see once how it looks. Oh, this one is normal glass, guys. It's too danger. Can't do anything. So wow, we got inbuilt 4 fans. See, one is here. We have one fan here and three fans front side. This one fan, two, second one, third one, 3 fans inbuilt they have given, and the fourth one is back side for airflow. So this side 4 fans, we can fix some more fans also. and this one is for battery, UPS, power supply, okay, looks good. And it's difficult to manage cables also. Okay, we'll see once we will fix and assemble. When we assemble this, nice, it looks good but not great. We'll see once. Okay guys, I'll recommend this one also. Looks amazing, worth it man. You can buy it. Why? Because it has 4 inbuilt fans and great airflow, amazing mix, nice product. You can buy it, but this one is glass. Okay, you can manage. We'll keep this one. Yes guys, we'll remote this one also. This one, this two. Glass. Nice guys. If you want to buy it from Amazon. Chiptronex HX1000, HX1000. Nice tower. Inbuilt 4 fans. I think 3 RGB fans, 1 normal fan. Okay. We'll back to some other more gadgets. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll come with an amazing gadgets.